these were the visuals from the state of Rajasthan, where Janta curfew was imposed today and quite safely even. And there were also the visuals here of Bhilwara, where total curfew was imposed in the city, and the part of which the video is going viral, where the local residents of the city are totally beaten quite brutally by the police of the city, and the part of which the state government of Rajasthan has imposed and announced a day before yesterday complete lockdown in the state, and part of which the city borders are also restricted in the whole of the state, Rajasthan. This is Devendra Pratap Singh for ACJ TV from Bikaner, Rajasthan.
Hello everyone. Till now, the total number of coronavirus cases in Rajasthan is 58, and the recorded deaths till now in Rajasthan are 3, in which the most number of cases are recorded in the lesser known district of Bhilwara, which is somewhat about 240 kilometers from the capital of Jaipur. There are the total number of cases in the city are 26 of which mostly are the medical doctors and the staff working there in a private hospital, while the second most cases are in Jaipur, which is second in the queue, and the total number of cases in the city are 21, in which 11 belongs to a same area called Ramganj. Now, question might be hitting to many of your minds that what went wrong in Bhilwara, as many of you might not have even heard of this small district in Rajasthan. On 19th March 2020, in the early evening, a news broke out that 6 people of the Brajesh Bangar Memorial Hospital, which is a prestigious hospital in the city, have tested positive of the dangerous corona pandemic. And after this, these 6 people were shifted to the Savai Mansingh Hospital, or the SMS Hospital in the capital Jaipur. And after this, the patients of this Brajesh Bangar Memorial Hospital were shifted to the Mahatma Gandhi Hospital, which is another prestigious hospital in the city. And after this, a chaos started doing the rounds, and a chaos was quite created in the medical and the political circles of Rajasthan, that how fastly the corona pandemic is spreading in the lesser known district of Bhilwara, after which in the midnight the district administration came into action, and part of which they shifted all the patients, and after that, from the next morning of 28th March, they sealed the city borders and curfew was imposed in the city. This is few days back of the Narendra Modi's call for the 21 days lockdown in whole country. And on the same day of the 20th March, as curfew was imposed in the city, 5 other people also tested positive for this deadly corona pandemic. Now, what is the midnight story which happened at that time? So what was this? That many theories started doing the rounds, that how these people got in touch with the corona pandemic, or how the corona was transmitted to their bodies. So the most important theory which is going the rounds, it is still not confirmed that how they came in touch with it, but the most 3 theories are doing the rounds there. The first one is that one person from Saudi Arabia came to the hospital for some conference or something, and he transmitted this deadly pandemic to them. The another theory which is doing the rounds is that one of the patients transmitted to them. While in the local circles of Rajasthan, the most popular theory is that 1 or 2 of the doctors had the foreign travel history, and from 12th March they had mild symptoms of cold and fever, but they resisted themselves from self-isolation and kept working and treating the patients, and part of which what happened, we all are seeing it right now. After this, their family members were also affected, and this number started rising day by day. So after this, the state administration started working quite effectively even from the 19th March. So what they done first was all these steps which I told you, and after that the most important one was to start door-to-door isolation and door-to-door testing of the coronavirus, part of which till now they have tested 28 lakh people and 6,000 people are in quarantine till now. and even the nearby resorts and the hotels are also transformed into the isolation centers where people are being kept from the rural areas and also from the city. A team of 3,100 people has been formed of the medical members who are testing and going to door to the people and testing for the corona pandemic. And 15,000 people are in the isolation centers till now. While the district magistrate Rajendra Bhatt himself is on the ground and is daily releasing many videos and asking people to calm down and releasing video that how to keep yourself away from all these things and how to keep yourself sanitized basically and how to keep yourself untidy. He's working effectively, and the most important thing is he has developed the app and also asked all the committees of the groceries for the home delivery and is himself monitoring each and every situation in the area. Curfew passes are also delivered to the people working there. While nobody can enter Bhilwara now or can leave the district. If anybody wants to go, they need a permission from the district magistrate himself, who is monitoring the situation there. So this was the lesser known town of Bhilwara, where the number are rising day by day, but till now the district magistrate and the local administration have got a control on the numbers, and the more and more tests are being done there. So the situation is bit under control there. So this was the report from Rajasthan, that how the state administration and basically the local administration is tackling with the issue and what went wrong, how the people were affected and how it's spreading there, the corona pandemic. So this was the update from that state. Now what is happening on the side of the state government? So the state government is acting with the issue so preemptively and so actively. The state government and the state CM Ashok Gehlot himself is monitoring each and every situation. There might be also another reason behind it, that in the month of December and January a news broke out that in the district of Kota and 2-3 other cities, more than 100 infants found dead, which was highest in the India. So after that, the state government and basically the Rajasthan Health Department was on the back foot. Now they are fighting with it effectively. What happens? We have to see. This was Devendra Pratap Singh. On 3rd April 2020, Bikaner got its first coronavirus cases after 2 people related to Tablighi Jamaat tested positive for the deadly corona pandemic. After this, from the same day, curfew was imposed in few parts of the city, and also police was deployed in high numbers on the streets along with RSE. After the imposition of curfew in few parts of the city, the lockdown norms also became quite strict, and part of which people were not even allowed to step out of their houses even to buy the essential items, and the result of which the local residents were brutally beaten by the police, and it was found that the local police is misusing their power to beat people and to stop them from even buying the necessary items for their daily use. During this 21 days lockdown, local administration and the district magistrate Mr. Kumar Pal Gautam launched an app called COVID-19 e-Bazaar. This is a Rajasthan government app in which shops within your area of 1.5 kilometer will be listed there with the contact number of the shopkeeper, and so you can place order from the app, and all the essential items will be delivered at your doorstep, from milk, grocery and each and everything of your essential services and your necessity. It was listed earlier, but when we cross-checked it, it was found to be wrong, or a glitch was found in it. We can show you this right now. So what happened was, so see, this is the app, and this, here I open the app, and when we open the app, there are 4 options given here. And 4 options. This one is of history, this one is of placing an order, and this one is of shop list, and this is status of order. So when we click on place order, it's still showing coming soon. More than 2 weeks has been passed till now that this app was launched, but still now it is not working properly. And after this, when we press back and we click on shop list, there is only a single shop, and the place where I'm sitting, my house is on National Highway 11, which is the state highway of Bikaner and Jaisalmer Agra highway actually. And my house is on the main road, main highway. It's a quite prime area, but still the number of shops listed in this app is only 1. Only a single shop is there, and after pressing on this shop list also, nothing is being shown. So this is the situation, that how this app is working. And after this, I've also showed you that what is happening when people themselves are going out, that the police is beating them, the police is not cooperating with them. This is how the situations are going worse day by day, that the police is misusing of their power.
आज से 2 दिन पहले मैं अपने घर से मात्र 200 मीटर की दूरी पर एक दुकान है, उससे मैं किराने का सामान लेने गया था। मैं दुकान जाने के बाद मैं वहाँ पे सामान ले ही रहा था कि इतने में दूर से कुछ पुलिस वाले डंडा लेकर आते दिखे, और पास में आते ही उसी दुकान के पास में एक और दुकान बनी हुई है, उसके ऊपर लोगों को मारना शुरू कर दिया। मैंने वहाँ पे अपना सारा सामान छोड़कर मैं बीच में ही भागा। 1-2 पुलिस वाले मेरे पीछे भी भागे। मैं थोड़ी दूर तक भागा, उसके बाद मैं एक गली में मुड़ गया, तब उन्होंने मेरा पीछा छोड़ दिया। मेरे को आज तक ये बात समझ नहीं आई है कि वो लोग मेरा पीछा क्यों कर रहे थे, और वहाँ पे भी जो लोग खड़े थे उनको मारा क्यों गया, क्योंकि हमारे घर का जो एरिया है वो कर्फ्यू के अंदर नहीं आता है। आज 2 दिन हो चुके हैं, मैं कोई भी सामान लेने के लिए घर से बाहर नहीं निकल पा रहा हूँ। जो मेरा थोड़ा बहुत सामान लिया हुआ था वो अभी तक वो उसी दुकान के ऊपर पड़ा है। दूध लेने भी जाते हैं तो भी वो बाहर नहीं निकलने देते, बीच के अंदर ही वापस भेज देते हैं, या फिर सीधा डंडा दिखाते हैं। प्रशासन द्वारा जो एप्लीकेशन बनाया गया है जिसका नाम है कोविड-19 बाज़ार, उस एप्लीकेशन के ऊपर भी आप कोई सामान ऑर्डर नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि उसके ऊपर जो लिस्ट दी गई है 1.5 किलोमीटर के अंदर जो दुकान है उसके ऊपर भी अभी तक कोई दुकान नहीं दिखाई गई है। आप प्लेस ऑर्डर के ऊपर जाते हैं, उसके बाद भी कोई दुकान का कुछ नहीं आता, सीधा लिखा हुआ आता है कमिंग सून। इस बात को काफ़ी दिन हो चुके हैं, लेकिन उसके बाद भी अभी तक यही है। आपको कुछ भी किसी भी तरीके का सामान लेने घर से बाहर नहीं जा सकते, क्योंकि पुलिस वाले देखते ही सीधा डंडा मारना शुरू कर देते हैं। धन्यवाद।
This should be stopped, because this is not the part of our constitution nor our democracy where we are living, that the police is using the misuse of the power in the time when we are suffering from the deadly pandemic of COVID-19. Thank you. The total number of coronavirus cases in Rajasthan as till of now are more than 1430, while the death toll is also sorely rising. The condition is getting worse in the cities of Jaipur,
and Jodhpur. Jodhpur, which is the home city of Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, and the situation in his home constituency, Sardarpura, is getting worse as the total number of coronavirus cases in Jodhpur itself are more than 200. While in Jaipur, it's also predicted that it is in the last phase of coronavirus, that community spread could be declared anytime in Jodhpur, where in Ramganj area itself the cases are more than 415. So the situation is getting quite worse in Jaipur, while the Bhilwara model is widely praised and it's working quite effectively in whole Rajasthan and in other districts of India also. In Bikaner itself, the local administration is quite inefficient in handling the crisis, and the same situation is happening in most of the cities of Rajasthan, where the local administration is not working quite effectively, as people are still suffering from the lack of essential items in their households, and police is behaving quite brutally with them, so the situation is getting a bit worse in those cities. This is Devendra Pratap Singh from Bikaner, Rajasthan.